Okay, the next question we are doing is question 3. Choose the right colour. Question 3, and what it's saying there is, what are the largest and smallest unsigned numbers? So the largest and the smallest unsigned largest numbers let's use my writing, using 2 bytes. Okay, so 1 byte is 8 bits, so this thing's going to be 16 bits in total. Okay, with 4 bits after the binary point. Let's use my messy handwriting. Okay. All right. So, okay. All right. So 4 bits after the decimal point. So let's put our binary point there, and our column headings will be, and we've got 4 bits after, so we know it's going to be, let's put it in fractional. Actually, you know what? There's a reason why I'm going to do this. I'm going to put it as in our decimal form, which we need to know. So 0.5, 0.25, 0.125, and we need another one, 0.0625. Right? And then on the positive side, so that is 4 bits, and we need a lot of room actually here. so let's squeeze this in. So we're going to be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and let's use nibbles here to help us not get confused. 32, 64, 128, and then 2, 5, 6, and then 5, 1, 12. How are we doing? Okay, so that's another nibble. 2, 2, 5, 5, 1, 2, and then 1, 0, 2, 4. And we also need 2, 0, 4, 8. So we're just timesing by 2 to get our next. Timesing by 2 to get our next column headings. Okay, so let's just check we've got all of these done. So that's another nibble. Okay, so that is 1 byte. And this is 1 byte, believe it or not. Okay, so each of these is 4 bits. Just going to make that clear because of the spacing, it could be confusing. So that's 8 bits, and this is actually 8 bits as well. So 1 byte, 1 byte. So in our question, it was 2 bytes and 4 bits after the decimal point. It's after the binary point. Okay, so let's choose a nice colour for this. Okay, now it's saying what's the largest and smallest. Okay, the largest numbers, if we have all ones here, and including for the fractional part. Okay, and if we were to add up all these column headings, because we are going from, so this question is, so I like to categorize the questions because we've got a method for each type of them. So this is going from a fractional binary number to decimal. they've just found another way of wording that type of question. Right, now if you were to add up all of these column headings, in other words, 2048 plus 1024 plus, and then including the fractional part up to 0.0625, that would give you 4095.9375. Now, that's the biggest number you could store. And what about the smallest? Now they have said it's unsigned, so we can't go negative on this. So the smallest number we can have is going to be 0.